Hello guys, welcome to Developer to YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to create recycle view with grid support. That means you can use recycle grid view. So let me show my app. So let me check it. So here is a simple example of recycle grid view. Here you see. So today I will show you how to make this kind of app. So before I proceeding, you have to open your Sketchware app, then go to plus icon and create a new project and name it anything. Let me name it recycler view new. Okay, or wait, okay, just create one. Let me set a linear layout. Okay, after we set the linear layout, before going to set up the recycle code, we have to create a custom view. Just write custom, and in custom view we have to set custom field, like we need one image. So 1 minute. Okay, so let's make it 200. And we need one text view for the title, and let this linear should be web, and here we go. So style should be bold. Set the increase size of the 16. So here we set our title, here we set our image view, here we set our image. Okay, then save this. You can set at center if you want, so I set it to center. So let's get back to the main XML. Go to event on create. So now here I have the code, and I will show you how to use this. Okay, so we need to create a list map. So I will set as list map. Okay, then we need a map. So first we have to generate a map. So here we generate the map. So okay, first key should be title, and another key I will put image img. So in the title I will write the this is a title. Okay, and in the image we have to set the image URL. So I think I copied one image URL, so let me check here is the, so I have to put this here. Okay, next we need to add the map inside the list map. So we should use this block add map to list map. After that we use a repeat block. Remember, this repeat block I used to show you for the example because I have the only one list. So I make this a replica or looping the list as 5 times, so I can show you 5 same list in our list map. Okay, so after set up this list map, next we need our here we need the class of the recycler view. So here we put the class of recycler view. So I already create the code, because if I write the code it take video will be long. So I here this to create this the view holder of recycler view. So here is the view holder of the, I will put one by one so you can understand what is going on. So here is the class should be create, and already define the okay, sorry, take, and here the adapters should be defined like this inside the class. Okay, here is the list map adapter, name as lm-data. Next is public my list adapter. Inside that we have to put the list map. Here we put list map, then we have to I will show you what you have to sense and what you don't need to sense. So from here you can copy the whole thing. Just I will show you after that. First let me copy this whole thing. So just copy here, just copy this. Okay, now I have to paste this. Let me show what you have to sense in this layout. This is a custom layout which I make at the beginning of this video. So you have to sense the name of this layout. If you set the same name, then no problem. If you set the other name, you have to sense this name. This is a custom view. Here you see, I will show you. So this is a custom view, custom XML. You need to write this name, the custom. Okay, so in this code here, here you have to sense this. Okay, you have to sense this custom as per your XML layout name. So after that other things are same, so don't need to sense anything. Okay, next you have to create your view holder this is a on bind view holder. Okay, so here you need to create what it inside the custom layout layer. So in my custom layer I have two things. One is text view and another is image, and this image I will set image URL link. So you have to set the code correctly. Here is the code for the URL phrase. Next, you have to before doing this, you have to set here in the view holder. Here you have to define image view as image, name it image view. Next, text view, set the name text view, and you have to set anything here, text view 1 or 2, anything. It will hold the views of your view which is inside your custom view. So here we set our, so to understood that I will show you one example. Okay, first get back to the here custom view. Here it is the text view, and here is this the image view is already set or defined. Let me define the linear one inside the this view holder. So let me go to here. So here image view and text view are already set. Okay, next we have to set the linear one. So before that you have to create the define the linear one public SF. Okay, so let me define linear layout linear 1. I name it as linear 1. Okay, then here you have to set the linear 1 equal to linear layout, then item view dot find view by id. Okay, then set r dot id dot our linear layout id is linear 1. Okay, and this linear 1 id is not from here, not from this variable name. You get this id from the custom view. You have to set back to here. You can see here, just click here and you see this is linear 1. Okay, this is id. So you have to set that id inside this code as I write here. Okay, so next is to we just call the linear 1. Next we have to set the on click listener for the linear 1. Here I have already gave a code of on click listener. So just we have to replace this relative layout to linear 1 dot set on click listener. Next we have to toss the position of the on click item as I saw at first when I show you the app of my recycle view. When I click the image that show a position from which the image is come from. So here I said that, so we have to set the position. So suppose I have to create one integer value. Here we need a final int, so pose equal to position. Okay, then this pose value should be set in here. This will show you click on item and it is show position number. Okay, this is toast the position number. After done all, then we need to set our recycler view. So just go to add source directly block, then you have to set the, you have to create the object of that class. So here we create all the object and also put the adapter. So I just copy this. So here I put this. So let me show you. Here here I call the object recycler view. Inside this recycler view object, I will put inside the linear one layout. Okay, a view recycler view, and there are some list adapter. You should also, this is a list adapter object, you have to create this one also. Then you have to set here list, your list map. This is your list map. Okay, so this focus on this list map. So you have to set as per your list map name. As I set list map because my list map name is list map. Here I say you. So whatever name of your list map you should put here. Okay, you should put here. Next, our recycler view, there are some properties. The recycler view set has fixed size true. Next, you don't need this one, this code for now, because this is for vertical recycler view, not for grid view or not for horizontal view. Okay, other things are for all these four other codes are for horizontal view. I don't need to change anything. Okay, just set as it is. Next, we all done, and let me test if all work correctly or not. So run your project. So let me check what's going on. So here you said the Android X recycler view cannot resolve to a type. So, and here is also glide cannot resolve to a type. So what is glide? It's a library, because here we see I said the glide image with which will convert image URL as phrase as and set as image view. So we need the glide library. So for this we need to set empty image to set image URL block. So let me, here you can see you have to set this empty block of image URL, image from URL. Then next our is so is Android X library. So you need to enable app compat design, active this library. Okay, then save your work and run it again. Okay, our project is successfully run and the epic is generated, and now installation process is going on. Let me install this app and let me open, and here you see our GridView is working. Yeah, there is a little issue of the size. You can fix that automatically. You can fix that easily. So here you see, so there is a size issue. Let me check. Yeah, sorry for that. I forgot one thing. So you need to set this inside. You have to set this inside the horizontal linear. So you need to put this horizontal scroll, then inside that put horizontal linear like this. Okay, then back to on create, and you have to set before, no, don't go to that, just change the ID of this linear one, this plate linear one, to another ID like linear 0 as the background, this one. Okay, next at the top of this ID is linear 2, you have to change this ID to linear 1, because our all code are set as linear 1. So I don't want to go to back to the code again, so I sense it here. Okay, I think you can understand now. So this is this linear ID, so you have to set this to as linear 1, and this is the linear 2, it is linear 0 I set as now. So you can see here, this is linear 0. Okay, so just change this ID. After that, just save your project and run back again. Hope now it will work. So let me check. And remember, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit like button and comment as well if you like. So comment also, then don't forget to share to your friends and other developers too. Okay, thank you for this. Now open your project, and here you see the grid view of recycler grid view is working correctly. And when you click, you can see there the click on item. Here you can see your this click or item are presentable. Here you can see when I click this, it's item build. Okay, you can see this also. When I click this item 2, like this item 4. Remember, I set as the position of the click, so list position always start from 0. So like this all are. Thank you for watching my recycler view tutorial. I saw today, as in my episode I will show the grid view. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.